Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In this video, I will explain how to get the first repeated character of a string. So, by programming purpose, I have already opened the IntelliJ. So, I'm going to IntelliJ. Here, I have already created a project Java programs and already created a package com.stream. Here, going to create a class first repeated character. Character. Entering it. Oh, defining the main method here. Defining a string str equal to like Java classified. Now going to convert into char array and converting into collect method here using the collectors dot grouping by because we need to group the each variable or each character of a string. So here collectors dot grouping by. One more thing here, we need to change map to object. Here, change it as a char, defining data. Now, here grouping by, we need to pass the char data as a char. Now, going to define linked hash map. Here, going to collect, going to collectors dot counting, count counts the each variable, each each character. Now going to get the each key here, converting it as a stream dot filter. We are going to use filter here. If data dot get value greater than 1, then get the find first or else return the null value. Now let's define the response in a variable as a character response. Sorry, my bad. Here we need to get the only key. So going to retry the key value only after map dot entry. Sorry, map dot entry colon get key. Now you will get the only character of a first repeated characters. So here going to print it system dot out dot println first repeated char. Now here going to define the C are running, going to use right click here and run the main method. It will take some times. Now you can see here first repeated character is a. Here is a. So like we change as a Swiss here. Now let's check the repeated character. It will give the first yes. Yes will give output. Yeah. Now by using Stream API, you can get the duplicates value, duplicates first character of a string. In next video, I will explain another programming question. Thank you for watching my YouTube channels. If you want to get get the updated sessions each and every day, then you need to subscribe my channel. Thank you.